Hi, welcome back. Today we will learn how to create this quiz video for free using Canva and CapCut step by step. Let's get started now. First, log in to canva.com. Once you're in, click on Video, which is 1920 x 1080 pixels for YouTube video. First, select background color for the quiz. We will choose a bright color. Enter color #FFE 433. Now we will do an input text box for the question. In the search element field, key in rectangle and click on shapes. Adjust the shape of the rectangle. For the font, select Londrina Solid and set 70 for font size. Inside text box, key in what animal is this? Select 100 for corner rounding. Next, we will do the picture frame. In the search element field, key in rectangle frame. Select the 15 for corner rounding. Corner weight, input 11. Now we will add in the quiz timer bar. Adjust according. We will do the answer for the question. Make a copy of the question text inbox and change the text to the answer. We will do the first question. Look for dog in the element. Select this dog image. Input the answer, dog, inside the answer text input box. To make the quiz more interesting and engaging, we will do animation on the text box and picture frame. Click on Question text box and picture frame. Select Tumble for animation. The animation for answer text box and quiz progress box, select Pop. Now we will do the appearance of the answer text box after the time for the time bar end. Right-click on the timer bar and also answer bar. Adjust the answer text bar to appear after the timer bar in the timeline. This is how it looked like. Everything is in good order. We will do the second question. Duplicate this slide. The answer for the second question is zebra. We will look for the zebra image and put in the picture frame. Under the answer input text box, type in zebra. Do the same for the third question. The answer for the third question is lion. We will look for the lion image and put in the picture frame. Under the answer input text box, type in lion. Now we created our quiz game. Save this file as MP4, video file. Now we will add transition and sound effect in the quiz. Let's head over to CapCut now. Import the MP4 file that we created from Canva into CapCut. Now we will do the transition between different questions. Click on Transition and select Curling Wave. This is how the transition looked like. Next, we will add a background music for the quiz. Click on Audio and Sound Effect. Search for Cute Bell. We select this music. We will search for timer sound for the time bar. Select this music. Adjust the length of the music to make sure it start and end exactly the same as our timer bar. Lastly, select another sound effect for the answer. We will choose this glitter sound. Remember to adjust the length according when the answer pop out. Do the same for the other two slides. Now our quiz game is completed. Thanks for watching. In the next video, we'll take things up a notch as we show you how to create this awesome animated timer bar for your quiz game. It's super easy and will make your project even more engaging. So, make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss it. See you in the next one.